Looking for the best manual bread slicer in 2026? In this video, we'll explore some of the top manual bread slicers you can buy right now for slicing homemade bread, sourdough, artisan loaves, and everyday bread into even, consistent slices. Let's find the right bread slicer for your kitchen. Starting at number 1. Brvclon Manual Bread Slicer. The Brvclon manual bread slicer for homemade sourdough bread is a practical hand-crank kitchen tool designed to produce consistent, evenly sized slices from homemade sourdough, sandwich bread, bagels, baguettes, and other loaves. It features adjustable slice thickness, a sharp replaceable stainless steel blade, a sturdy solid wood base, and an aluminum alloy frame for durability. Strong suction cups help keep the slicer stable on the countertop during use, while their compact design makes it convenient for home kitchens. With its manual operation, precise thickness control, and attractive gift-level packaging, it is a useful choice for home bakers who want uniform slices without using an electric appliance. Number 2. Brvclon Manual Bread Slicer. The Brvclon Manual Bread Slicer is a compact and adjustable kitchen tool designed for slicing homemade bread, including sourdough, evenly and consistently. Measuring 13.8 by 11.3 by 7.5 inches, it combines an aluminum structure with southern oak wood and a stainless steel blade for durability and reliable performance. Its adjustable design allows users to customize slice thickness, while the black finish gives it a sleek, modern appearance. Designed specifically for bread, this manual slicer is a practical choice for home bakers who want uniform slices and a stable, space-conscious countertop appliance. Number 3. Saluna Manual Bread Slicer. The Saluna Manual Bread Slicer for sourdough and homemade bread is a practical kitchen tool designed to help home bakers achieve cleaner, more consistent slices from sourdough, artisan loaves, sandwich bread, and other homemade breads. It features an adjustable thickness setting of up to approximately 0.9 inches, a stainless steel serrated blade for precise cutting, and a hand crank mechanism that allows slicing without electricity. Its sturdy suction base helps keep the slicer stable on the countertop during use, making it a convenient option for bakers who want more uniform slices while reducing the crushing and tearing that can occur with some homemade loaves. Number 4. Zassenhaus Original Classic Adjustable Bread Slicer. The Zassenhaus Original Classic Adjustable Bread Slicer is a stylish manual bread slicer designed to produce consistent, uniform slices from homemade bread, sourdough, and other loaves. It features a sharp 6.5-inch 18/8 stainless steel serrated blade and an adjustable thickness setting of up to approximately 0.7 inches, allowing you to customize slices for toast, sandwiches, and more. Its classic red design combines wood and aluminum construction, while four suction cups help keep the slicer stable during use. Measuring approximately 11.75 by 8 inches, this hand-crank bread slicer offers a compact and practical solution for home bakers who want precise slices with a traditional, durable design. Number 5. ZDEC Manual Bread Slicer. The ZDEC Manual Bread Slicer is a sturdy kitchen tool designed for cutting homemade bread and sourdough into consistent slices. It combines an aluminum frame with a stainless steel blade, featuring a 6.6-inch stainless steel blade for smooth and even cutting. The black design gives it a sleek appearance, while its adjustable construction allows users to customize slicing thickness. With hand-wash-only care instructions and a single-unit design, this manual bread slicer is a practical choice for home bakers looking for a durable and easy-to-use bread-cutting solution. Thanks for watching. All product links for your purchase are available in the video description. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and buying guides.